Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We're going to solve buy and sell a share at most twice. In this question, we are given array of stock prices. We have to do two operations. We'll buy the first stock, sell it. One process gets complete. Then buy the second stock and sell it in order to maximize our profit. Okay, from buying and selling. And second share must be bought only after the first share has been sold. Cool. In this question, see example 1. If you buy at index 010 and sell at index 122, you'll end up profit of 12. Again, if you buy at 5 and sell at 80, you'll end up making profit of 75. 75 now and 12 prior to that will yield us 87, which is the output of our answer. Similarly, in example 2, you can calculate. Okay, you can do this question using DP, but I don't want to make it complicate. I will do this question in single loop. Okay, I will create four variables: first buy price, first sell price. Okay, first buy and first sell. So initially, I will initialize the first buy value with very small negative value. In Java or C++, in C++, you can use int min, int max for it. You can use int min. Okay, and first sell price will be 0. Cool. Similarly, there will be second buy price and second sell price, which will again be very negative value, very large negative value, and sell price will be 0 because initially we do not have any sell price, we do not have any profit. Cool. Now I will traverse in this array of prices which is given, array of price or p in price. Okay. Now first buy should be maximum of the current value and the negative of price. After this operation, okay, you're taking the first buy with the maximum of current value and negative of price. This will yield you the amount of money which you are currently left at. Amount of money which you're currently left at. In this question, if you see, if you put in example one, after first step, you'll have negative p minus p in the value of first price fp. Cool. Now after you have purchased it, you will sell it at a maximum of, which is the current selling price, and sum of price plus first buy price at which you bought it. Okay, in this way you will end up having a profit. Okay, similarly, same thing for second stock, second buy, maximum of second buy, but a difference of first sell and profit. Why? Because in this way you'll end up calculating the amount of money which you currently have. Amount of money which you currently have. Okay. Now after you purchase it, you'll sell it at the current price or this second purchase price or the price. Cool. In this way, in this way, you did four operations. You purchased a share, you sold it. You purchased a second share, you sold it. Cool. After the first operation, you are having amount of money you currently spent. After second operation, you will end up calculating amount of money, amount of profit which you have currently right now. After the third operation, you'll end up calculating the amount of money which you have spent as of now. And after step 4, you'll end up calculating the amount of profit which you have made as of now. Okay, and this is a continual process as far as there are element, okay, in the stock prices in the input prices array. At the end you'll return second share and not two values or anything, because in the ss only we have calculated whatever we needed to. Okay, because after first operation only a second operation is taking place. See, I was able to solve this question in pretty less time, even using Python. This much time in using Python is very commendable, and it did the job pretty effortlessly. I hope you learned a concept and enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.